Emotional crypto traders always lose, and I'll explain why. Let's briefly go over this article and explain why I was right the entire time with my analysis on Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin facing potential capitulation amid on-chain liquidity squeeze, analyst says. So we're not going to read this entire article. We're just going to read this first part right here. So according to a crypto analyst, BTC may be heading towards capitulation due to tightening on-chain liquidity. However, the capitulation could be followed by a full bull market. So in this article, 40K is not out of the question, but that's still positive in the grand scheme of things. We're still following the 4-year cycle. So don't be freaked out if we see a significant dip before the end of the year. We talked about this on this channel multiple times. I'm not going to do it right now, but I want to say why the average person, the average crypto trader is going to lose. And it's 3 reasons, really. Number 1, they don't have a plan. Number 2, they lack the discipline. And number 3, they're financially illiterate. Number 1, the lacking of a plan. So it's easy to say that, hey, I'm going to sell when we hit the moon. That's completely idiotic. Writing down market cap milestones on paper and writing down the timeframes you believe they will hit those market cap milestones will help you significantly. Because if you're just sitting there hoping and praying that this thing will do well, and then when it does hit the certain market cap, you say, oh, let's see if it hits higher and higher, you're not following through with what you said you're going to do. So because you lack the discipline. So we're going to follow up with lacking discipline. So people who are watching their portfolios explode, which is the majority of people out there, and crypto veterans that see this video are going to relate because they get greedy, because they lack the discipline. So think about this. What if it doesn't hit that price target? Think about the last time you felt when you saw the entire market dip because you were so greedy and you refused to take profit. Remain disciplined. Follow through with your plan. For instance, I know that I'm going to be selling about 75% of my portfolio near the beginning of fall, all right, of 2025. And then I'm going to have 25% remaining for Trademasters, automated copy trading. And that's a different topic for a different time. But that's what my plan is. And I have that written out. I have timeframes written out on what I'm doing. The last thing, you're financially illiterate. So after you sell, you're going to take your positions and you're going to buy some more highly speculative assets. Or invest in a startup company. You're going to do something stupid. You're not going to pay your taxes. You're not going to pay off your debts. And you're going to probably just end up spending on a bunch of useless junk that's going to go away within a year. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to go to the traditional stock market and I'm going to be investing my capital the right way. I have a plan in place. I know what I'm going to be investing in. I'm investing in ETFs. I know that's not very attractive to say that, but I have a plan for it because I want to earn yield on my money. Some people within the Rebels chat, that's the Telegram group that I have, are going to be investing in real estate. They have a plan. Make sure you follow through with it and make sure that you understand the options you have because some of you might not have a lot of money this cycle after you sell. And the best thing you could be doing is just paying off that debt. Like I said before, be responsible. I know I can't say this is financial advice, but seriously, you need to be responsible. So just remember this, scared money don't make money.